Going outside to test drones and other DIY things, I always fear of running out of battery of my laptop. Because I'm using a gaming laptop, the power consumption is very high. Even turning on power saving mode, the laptop don't have enough space to add additional battery. Other way is to use a portable inverter, but these are inefficient due to their DC to AC conversion. And also the AC to DC conversion for the laptop is also inefficient. So I thought of using DC to DC. My laptop is Lenovo Legion and they use their own unique connector. Looking at the wiring, you can see that it's just a positive and negative wire with no direct communication between the laptop and the charger. There is a resistor that tells the laptop how much current it can pull, and all the controlling happened inside the laptop. This method will only work for those who have this same manner of connection. So check your connector's wiring before you do this. First of all, you need a connector. You can get the connector from an old charger, or you can buy this and connect resistor and connect additional wires. So first you have to find the voltage of the working charger. Voltage may vary depending upon your device. This is the resistor value. Those who are going to use the secondary. I found this lithium polymer battery which has 10,000 mAh, so I bought 6 of them to make a 6S pack. This is the wiring. This is the second battery. This is the third battery. This is the fourth battery. This is fifth battery. And finally, this is the sixth battery. Now we will be adding output wires. And this is the JST XH 7-pin female connector. This is used for balancing the battery. As you can see, all batteries are working and you can see individual voltage and total voltage. Now we are going to use a buck converter. If you are thinking why not a boost or buck boost converter, because the buck converter output is better than the buck or buck boost, so you should use a buck converter, and the buck converter also have a higher efficiency while achieving more current. I bought this buck converter which has 10 amps max. This is 300 watt XL4015 Buck Converter. Make sure that Buck Converter have constant current and constant voltage control. You will see 2 potentiometer on a Buck Converter. Because I am having XT60 connector for the battery, I will be also connecting the XT60 connector for the input of the Buck Converter too. I have taken the connector from my old charger, so I don't need to think about resistor value. Connect output to the buck. After that, connect the battery. connect your multimeter and start calibrating the voltage. From original charger we got 20.60 volts. We have to set the same voltage on the output side of our buck, clockwise for increasing and anti-clockwise for decreasing. Increase the current to maximum and set the correct voltage. This is the real charger. If you connect it, see the light working, so it's charging. If you remove it, it doesn't charge. Now on our DIY setup, this is the DIY setup. Connect the battery and you connect the, this is the power source, you see here, the charger, connect this to charger. It works. As you can see, the laptop is charging. I used the 10,000 mAh battery at 24 volts. Because of that, I have around 250 watt hour, and on my laptop I have 60 watt hour. That is I think 4 times higher than the laptop battery. Consider to subscribe, and thank you for watching.